Hey guys, how's it going? Christian here from the 1640 Chavero channel. Today we're going to do a very simple video, but something that some people sometimes don't know. Here's the method for changing the cylinder from this specific lock, which is a stamp lock, detailing each necessary step thoroughly and clearly. In this bipartite cylinder here, we are going to replace this cylinder here with this newer one to improve overall performance. We're going to put this one here, a simple and very quick video, a quick tip. Follow the video. So let's go ahead and proceed. Here is the Stam lock, as I mentioned earlier at the very beginning of this informative video. It's already an old lock. You can see that it's already quite worn. I'm even going to remove this one. Our target from here. Look how worn it is. Goodbye. I hope to see you again very soon. Farewell. Take care until we meet again soon. Here are its multiple mirrors. As I said, it's already quite worn out. Here is its original key. It's actually pretty cool to see. Here's the latch, see? It's on my finger here. Look, you can see the equipment here. Oops, it's shaking there. The camera is now powered on, and as you look, you can clearly see it positioned there. Observe how its intricate mechanism operates, particularly the locking system. Isn't that really cool? Let go. This here is a copy key that I had already made. This here is an 1110 version, but I used a copy of the Jazz instead for my purposes. In the Jazz collection, the record designated C838 is featured on one side. Here is the other side for your reference and information. Opening the latch there, look. Since everything is working perfectly, the question arises as to how we can proceed with its replacement. The process is quite simple, and I will endeavor to illustrate it for you here. Just to confirm, the lock will definitely be placed securely inside the door, as illustrated here. Oh, there it is, located inside the door. But this specific part here will be exposed, particularly this one right here, exactly where the latch is located, and here as well. Here we have a screw. This screw is what holds these cylinders here. This cylinder is split. Let's go. Getting a Phillips screwdriver. Opening. It's already out. Let me see. It's already out. When it comes out, this item becomes loose. Please take a moment to look. Please look. It has been split. Do you understand? Please take a look at what is inside there. There is an entry here on the other side, and there's an entry on this side. I'm going to remove it here. This is the other side. Look. See? Very simple. You'll even put it back here. Look, look. There is a specific part where you can see two holes located here. Please carefully put one side accordingly. Here, where we currently reside, and on the other side here, there exists a completely different set of circumstances. So, what are we going to do? Let's get a new one. Even if you want, you can use the same screw you were using before. It's no problem at all. We already know how we're going to do it, right? There are the holes over there, see? Here are the holes. Let's get one of these new cylinders here. And let's fit it there. Take a look. I have successfully fitted the new component exactly where needed. I carefully fitted the other one into its proper position within the assembly. Look, everything is perfect at this stage. Now that both parts are fitted correctly but still slightly loose, we proceed by taking the screw for further assembly. We consistently and accurately place the item in the correct location. We tighten it thoroughly every time we work on this equipment to ensure it functions properly, right? Please take a careful look at the Portuguese instructions over there, locksmith. We have thoroughly tightened them here. Now everything is firm, nice, and tightly secured as intended. Let's find out where exactly this guy's key is right now. It should be located here, somewhere among all the original keys that were provided initially. Let's perform a thorough test to make absolutely sure that everything has worked out correctly and smoothly. I want it like this. This is absolutely perfect. Working perfectly. On the other side, there's that mechanism. Let me even do it with my other hand here. Make sure to check the other side of the lock for any signs of wear. This is today's tip, guys, a very simple one, changing the cylinder. We replace the cylinder here with these ones. Thanks, guys.